From the moment we're born, the clock is ticking. For us, for our pets, for nearly every living thing on this planet, time leaves its mark. Wrinkles, gray hair, a slowing pace. It's the universal story of aging. But what if there was a mammal that seemed to play by a different set of rules? What if there was an animal that, for all intents and purposes, appeared to be immune to the ravages of time? Well, deep beneath the ground in East Africa, there is... Let's meet the bizarre and absolutely fascinating naked mole rat. Don't let the looks fool you. This wrinkly, buck-toothed creature is a mammal, just like us. But that's where the similarities end. They live in sprawling underground colonies, much like ants or termites. Wita single dam ng queen, who is the only female that and the oddities don't stop there. Unlike other mammals, they're practically cold-blooded. Their body temperature changes with the temperature of their tunnels. They feel almost no pain on their skin. They can even survive for nearly 20 minutes without any oxygen, a feat that would be fatal for us in a fraction of that time. From top to bottom, the naked mole rat is a biological rule breaker. But the most profound mystery of all is its incredible lifespan. Consider a common mouse, which is roughly the same size as a naked mole rat. That mouse might live for 2, maybe 3 years if it's lucky. The naked mole rat, it can live for over 30 years. Let that sink in. This isn't just a small improvement. It's a monumental 10-fold leap in longevity that completely defies everything we expect for a small rodent. It's like a human living for 800 years. How on earth do they do it? To understand just how strange this is, we need to talk about a fundamental rule of biology called Gompertz's law of mortality. It sounds complicated, but the idea is simple. For almost every animal species, including humans, your risk of dying increases exponentially as you get older. A 90-year-old human is far more likely to die in the next year than a 30-year-old. This risk curve gets steeper and steeper with age, but naked mole rats, they just tear up the rulebook. Scientists studying thousands of these animals found something astonishing. Their risk of death doesn't increase with age. A 20-year-old naked mole rat has the exact same chance of dying as a 2-year-old. They simply don't seem to age in the conventional sense. They don't get frail or more susceptible to disease as the decades pass. It's a flat line of mortality, something never seen before in a mammal. So, what are their secrets? Let's call them their superpowers. And the first one is an almost complete immunity to cancer. For humans, cancer is one of the most devastating age-related diseases. But for naked mole rats, it's virtually non-existent. Researchers have studied thousands and thousands of them and have found almost no spontaneous tumors. The reason seems to lie in a special substance their bodies produce in abundance. It's a sugar molecule called hymalekulemas. Think of it as a supersized version of a compound found in our own bodies that helps lubricate joints. In naked mole rats, this substance makes their tissues incredibly gooey and elastic, which is probably useful for squeezing through tight underground tunnels. But its real magic is in how it controls cell growth. This hyaluronan makes their cells extra sensitive to overcrowding. Long before cells could ever multiply into a dangerous tumor, this molecular goo sends a powerful signal to stop dividing. It's an anti-cancer mechanism that's so effective. It shuts down the disease before it can even start. Their second superpower happens on an even smaller, more fundamental level: flawless proteins. Inside every one of our cells is a complex system responsible for building and maintaining proteins, the tiny machines that do almost all the work in our bodies. This system is called proteostasis. In most animals, as we age, this quality control system starts to fail. It makes mistakes, producing faulty proteins, and it gets worse at cleaning up the old damaged ones. This buildup of cellular junk is a key driver of aging, but not in the naked mole rat. Their protein-making machinery structures called ribosomes are exceptionally robust and stable. They are superstars of quality control. Throughout their incredibly long lives, they continue to churn out near-perfect proteins with astonishing accuracy, preventing the cellular clutter and decay that plagues the rest of us. Their cells stay clean, efficient, and youthful for decades. Now, here's where it gets even more intriguing. While scientists have identified these amazing abilities, we still don't have the complete picture. We can't just point to a single longevity gene and say, that's it. The naked mole rat's secret isn't one trick. It's a whole cocktail of interconnected traits. It's their incredible cancer resistance, their superior cellular maintenance, their slow metabolism adapted for a low oxygen life underground, and likely other factors we haven't even discovered yet. They have a whole web of biological adaptations that work together to create this age-defying phenotype. Unraveling exactly how all these systems are connected and regulated is the next great frontier for aging research. So, what does this all mean? We have this strange, wrinkly, buck-toothed creature living a bizarre insect-like life in subterranean darkness that possesses a collection of anti-aging superpowers straight out of a comic book. They don't get cancer, their cells don't accumulate junk, and their risk of dying doesn't increase with age. This makes the naked mole rat one of the most important animals on the planet for scientists studying the biology of longevity. It holds the cellular and genetic secrets to a long, healthy life. By studying this humble rodent, we are learning what is biologically possible. Understanding its mysteries won't give us a magic pill for immortality tomorrow, but it could one day revolutionize human medicine and help us all live not just longer, but healthier lives. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this as fascinating as we do you forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the wonders of the natural world. See you next time.